Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the CoAP Protocol, which stands for Constrained Application Protocol. This is a specialized RESTful protocol designed specifically for resource-limited devices and networks in the Internet of Things ecosystem. CoAP enables efficient communication between devices that have limited processing power, memory, and battery life, making it an essential technology for modern IoT applications. CoAP is a specialized web transfer protocol designed for use with constrained devices and networks in the Internet of Things ecosystem. It is lightweight and efficient, built on a RESTful architecture similar to HTTP but optimized for low-power devices. Unlike traditional web protocols, CoAP uses UDP as its transport layer instead of TCP, which significantly reduces overhead. The protocol is specifically engineered to minimize power consumption, making it perfect for battery-operated IoT devices that need to operate for months or years without maintenance. IoT devices face unique challenges that traditional internet protocols cannot efficiently address. First, they have limited power resources, typically running on small batteries that need to last for extended periods. Second, these devices have minimal memory and storage capacity, often just a few kilobytes of RAM. Third, IoT networks are frequently unreliable, experiencing high packet loss and varying latency. CoAP was designed from the ground up to address these exact constraints. It provides HTTP-like functionality while consuming a fraction of the resources, making it the perfect solution for the challenging environment of Internet of Things deployments. Let's compare CoAP with HTTP to understand the advantages. CoAP uses UDP as its transport layer, which is connectionless and has low overhead, while HTTP uses TCP, which requires establishing and maintaining connections. The CoAP message header is only 4 bytes, incredibly compact compared to HTTP's headers, which can be hundreds of bytes long. CoAP is connectionless, meaning there's no overhead from maintaining persistent connections, whereas HTTP's connection-oriented nature consumes more resources. In terms of resource usage, CoAP requires minimal memory and power, making it ideal for constrained devices, while HTTP demands higher resources suitable for traditional web applications. The result is that CoAP provides HTTP-like functionality with approximately 10 times less overhead. The CoAP message format is remarkably compact, featuring a fixed 4-byte header that makes it ultra-efficient. The header consists of several fields: a 2-bit version field indicating the protocol version, currently version 1, a 2-bit type field specifying whether the message is confirmable, non-confirmable, acknowledgement, or reset, a 4-bit token length field indicating the length of the token used to match requests and responses, an 8-bit code field containing the request method like GET, POST, PUT, or DELETE, or the response code, a 16-bit message ID for detecting duplicates and matching messages. Following the header are variable-length fields containing the token, options, and payload. The total header size of only 4 bytes is a stark contrast to HTTP's hundreds of bytes, making CoAP extremely efficient for resource-constrained environments. CoAP implements the same REST principles as HTTP, but optimized for IoT devices. It supports 4 primary methods. The GET method retrieves data from a resource without modifying it, similar to requesting temperature data from a sensor. The POST method creates a new resource or triggers an action on the server, useful for sending data to a device. The PUT method updates or creates a resource at a specific location, perfect for updating device configurations. The delete method removes a resource from the server permanently, such as clearing old data. These methods use the same familiar RESTful patterns as HTTP, making CoAP easy to understand for developers already familiar with web technologies, while maintaining the efficiency needed for IoT applications. CoAP offers 4 different message types to balance reliability and efficiency based on application needs. Confirmable messages, abbreviated as CON, require acknowledgement from the receiver and ensure reliable delivery with retransmission if needed. These are used for critical data that must be delivered, such as sensor alerts or important commands. Non-confirmable messages, or NON, require no acknowledgement and work as fire-and-forget messaging for maximum efficiency. These are perfect for frequent updates where occasional loss is acceptable, like regular temperature readings. Acknowledgement messages, or ACK, are responses to confirmable messages indicating successful receipt. Finally, reset messages, or RSD, indicate that a message was received but cannot be processed, useful for error handling and rejecting invalid messages. This flexible system allows developers to choose the appropriate reliability level for each specific use case. CoAP includes several powerful features that make it ideal for IoT applications. Resource discovery is built into the protocol, allowing devices to automatically find available resources on other devices. The observe pattern enables clients to subscribe to resources and receive automatic notifications whenever they change, perfect for real-time monitoring. Security is provided through DTLS, which stands for Datagram Transport Layer Security, ensuring encrypted communication in IoT environments. Multicast support allows sending messages to multiple devices simultaneously, greatly improving efficiency. The protocol supports asynchronous, non-blocking communication, which is perfect for low-power devices that need to sleep between operations. Finally, CoAP offers easy integration with existing web infrastructure through HTTP mapping and proxies, allowing IoT devices to seamlessly interact with traditional web services. All these features combined make CoAP the ideal choice for building scalable, efficient, and secure IoT applications. CoAP is used across numerous real-world applications. In smart homes, it controls lights, thermostats, door locks, and appliances with low-power communication, including temperature sensors, motion detectors, and smart lighting systems. Industrial IoT deployments use CoAP for monitoring equipment, tracking inventory, and automating processes in factories through machine monitoring, predictive maintenance, and asset tracking. Healthcare applications include wireless medical devices and patient monitoring systems with reliable data transfer, such as wearable health trackers, remote patient monitoring, and smart pill dispensers. Agriculture benefits from soil moisture sensors, weather stations, and automated irrigation systems that enable smart farming, livestock tracking, and greenhouse automation. Smart cities use CoAP for connected infrastructure including parking, lighting, and waste management through smart parking meters, street lighting control, and environmental monitoring. Energy management applications include smart grid monitoring, renewable energy systems, and consumption tracking with smart meters, solar panel monitoring, and battery management systems. These diverse applications demonstrate CoAP's versatility and effectiveness across the IoT landscape. Let's summarize the key takeaways about CoAP. It is a lightweight RESTful protocol specifically designed for constrained IoT devices with limited resources. CoAP uses UDP instead of TCP for minimal overhead and power consumption, making it ideal for battery-operated devices. It supports both reliable confirmable and unreliable non-confirmable message delivery, allowing developers to choose the right balance for each use case. The protocol provides HTTP-like methods including GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE, but with tiny 4-byte headers instead of HTTP's bulky headers. CoAP includes advanced features like the observe pattern for real-time updates, resource discovery for automatic device detection, and multicast for efficient group communication. Security is ensured through DTLS for encrypted communication in IoT environments. The protocol is perfect for smart homes, industrial IoT, healthcare, agriculture, smart cities, and energy management applications. Finally, CoAP offers easy integration with existing web infrastructure through HTTP proxies, bridging the gap between resource-constrained IoT devices and traditional web services. CoAP truly represents the future of IoT communication, empowering billions of resource-constrained devices to communicate efficiently and enabling the next generation of smart, connected systems worldwide.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.